Alright, we're here at the shop this morning and I'm gonna sharpen a chain. And things to look out for and knowing your chain is dull. You see that burr right there? How it's kind of got a discoloration. That means it's dull. And when you're done, it'll look more like that. It'll look like a sharp blade. And it's the top of this tooth that you're sharpening. So, this is the gullet. Okay? This is your raker. The more you take off of this tooth, the more you got to take down this raker. I'd suggest like 2 or 3 scrapes per every 2 sharpens. Alright, let's get started. Now, if you're cutting and you hit some dirt, or you hit the ground, or a rock, or metal, whatever, and you notice the saw has gone dull, you want to stop continuing to cut. You kind of want to address it, because the more you use the saw that is dull, you'll burn up the power head, and you'll continue to chew up the chain. And you'll spend a lot more time filing this chain versus, oh, it's all gone dull. Now let's get the file out and let's fix it real quick. Versus you'll spend way too much time trying to fix the whole chain rather than a couple teeth.